So here's a quick review of installing Siebel 99 for personal use, a disk I found on a shelf when I joined Siebel in 2001. So let's go through the steps of installing it. You need 32 megabytes of RAM and 50 megabytes of hard disk. I think that's fine, so let's skip and continue. Adobe not installed, but we'll install that later, and let's create a user. Tom Siebel in this case is using this, and we'll set up a login for him. I'm not sure what would happen if we try to register this copy, but I might try it at a later stage. So the reason we're doing this is because I wanted to see how much has happened since 99 until now when it comes to CRM. So after this install, I'm also going to log in, create an opportunity, create an account and a contact to show you what it used to look like, and you can compare it to what you have today. So we're up and in. So let's start with create an account. Right click, new record. Type in some values here, just any value, just for you to see how it works. Like with all Siebel applications at that time, everything was saved immediately, and you just skipped off the record, and there it was done. So we add a contact to our newly created account, and that's basically it. Let's go in and do an opportunity. So we fill in some very good things here, still going strong. I think that is maybe not true, but let's call it that. We'll pick our newly created account, and we'll drill into it and add our contact. And as you've seen, it's quite fast from installing it, going in, and here you can see the marvelous calendar that we've been so proud of over the years. And I of course want to build this work that I've done here, so let's put in some expenses at the same time. And I guess you've seen it all: how to install, how to use it, and why maybe you want a copy of Siebel 99. So hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.